talk about the 5 reasons why people buy manufactured homes. Let's talk about space. When we're talking about space, 9 times out of 10, people prefer a mobile home versus living in an apartment. Mobile homes are very spacious. They come in single wide, double wide, and triple wide. You can buy a mobile home for a lot cheaper than a single family home. And now, reason number 3. Let's talk about the taxes. Taxes for a mobile home can be a lot less expensive than taxes for a single family home, especially if the mobile home is not on land. If the mobile home is on land, you probably are going to get taxed the same way that a single family home will. Let's talk about yet another reason why people buy manufactured homes. People are getting older. They don't like climbing stairs, and mobile homes are normally 1 story. Now, the last reason for buying a manufactured home, you're able to move it anywhere you want. You can't do that with a single family home.